Hello friends, I hope your data science learning is going well. Today in this video I am going to discuss the most important part of data analytics. How to choose the best chart or graph for your data. For knowing the visualization concept in EDA, we will cover these parts in this video. The impact of charts on visualization and reporting. EDA before and after technology. How to visualize a tabular data. The role of interactive charts and graphs in visualizing. Benefits of interactive charts. The quality of our lives is determined by the choices we make. Sometimes the choices are simple, like which flavor of ice cream to indulge in. Let's say the choices are vanilla ice cream, chocolate ice cream, and strawberry sorbet. Sweetness is great, but on a hot day, vanilla and chocolate lack that light and fruity feeling I want. Here's how I analyzed my ice cream choice. Like I have a question. Which flavor of ice cream should I get? My goal is, I want the flavor to complement this hot summer day, and to me, that means something light and fruity. And I want the outcome as strawberry sorbet. But what about the more serious choices, like deciding how much income to squirrel away for retirement? The same process still works. Here the goal is, I want to enjoy a good life post-retirement. Research suggests that means saving at least 20%. We will get the outcome as, I'll save at least 20%. Each choice can be broken down with the framework of question, goal, outcome. In this framework, you have a question and a goal that you're trying to achieve. Your goal motivates how you choose between options to get to the outcome. Choosing the best chart or graph for your data is similar, in that the outcome depends on your goal. You can even use the same question, goal, outcome framework. I'll provide some examples of choosing a chart with this framework further on. For now, let's focus on the goal part of the framework as it relates to displaying data. We see most visualizations as fulfilling one of four main objectives. Showing how values compare to each other. Showing how the data is distributed. Showing how the data is composed. Showing how values relate to one another.
The challenge of choosing the right visualization lies in finding the goal beneath your data question. Once you identify the goal, choosing the right chart becomes easier, particularly when you have a reference like the one below. Here we can clearly see how many types of charts and graphs. This points you in the right direction, but there are multiple charts in each category. How's an analyst to choose? Familiarizing yourself with the nuances of each graph will help. But the question is how to choose the best chart for your data.
What's the best chart to show comparison? Comparison questions ask how different values or attributes within the data compare to each other. Tables help you compare exact values to one another. Column and bar charts showcase comparisons across different categories, while line charts excel at showing trends over time. What's the best chart to show distribution? Distribution questions seek to understand how individual data points are distributed within the broader data set. Box plots show distribution based on a statistical summary, while column histograms are great for finding the frequency of an occurrence. Scatter plots are best for showing distribution in large data sets. What's the best chart to show composition? Composition questions ask what general features are present in the data set. Donut and pie charts are great choices to show composition when simple proportions are useful. Area charts put the composition of data within the context of trends over time. Stacked bar, percent, and column charts show an overview of the data's composition. What's the best chart to show a relationship between values? Questions in this category ask how values and attributes relate to each other. Bubble charts and heat maps can help you quickly identify relationships between data points. Conclusion. Which chart you use impacts how people understand your data and what decisions they make based on that understanding. Happily, you now have some great tools in your pocket to help guide your choices. Choosing the right chart is one part of the bigger story of communicating with data, but the colors you choose and the way you construct a dashboard also matter. To that end, keep an eye out for the next installment in our data visualization series for making a career as a data analyst. Till then, happy learning, and if you find anything on my channel interesting, please like, share, and subscribe. Additionally, click the bell button to be notified when I upload a new video.